More sights and sounds from Joe Nall. Here's the expert line and the intermediate line. We're mixed together flying today. There's the chief videographer, Sparky. That's Sparky from Stunt Hangar. And Gary Knight. How you doing, Gary?
Georgia.
All right. Meeting lots of new people. And we've got world champion David Fitzgerald out here. Got a video with him flying yesterday. So did about 40 other people. Most of these planes are experts. There's about 17 of them or so. I have to check the scoreboard on that, but 17 or so registered to fly today. Not but a few of us.
That video.
Okay, I will.
You got an SD card in that?
Yes, I do.
I'll download it on my computer before you leave.
Got it. And the world famous Derek Barry, famous in the southeastern United States.
Better to be infamous than not famous at all.
That's right. Who said that?
Roger Stone.
Some ne'er-do-well.
Did you watch that documentary they put out recently?
Yep.
That was a good one, wasn't it?
Yep.
Makes you think a lot. Yeah.
Ah, here's the prettiest plane out here. It's Ray Copeland's primary force, and the second prettiest plane out here is my own, Rusty Knowlton's Tudor. How about that? And that's Derek Barry's Dreadnought. We'll give that third place for pretty behind Ray's and my plane. And I believe this is world champion David Fitzgerald's plane here. Don't know who that is, but it looks like a Mexican beer. It looks beautiful, actually. Cavalier, one of Tom Morris's creations. Tom's here, but he's not flying today. Boy, there's a lot of craft work into lines and finish on this plane. And another beautiful utility plane here. Looks like, I can't remember. I think it's a Cardinal when I see it. Then I think it's maybe an Impact. I cannot remember. It's got a Brazilian number on it, but it's also got an AMA number on it. This Cobra is a nice plane. I hope the camera is getting a good picture of that. Bruce Jennings plane. And this is a big ringmaster. Super ringmaster. There's my foot behind it just to give you an idea of how big that plane is. Triple tree, it goes on forever. Fun Central.